Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. Today we're going to make DIY ear savers using the Cricut Maker. This technique will work for the small, medium, and large patterns. Ear savers take pressure and friction off the ears, making wearing a mask more comfortable, especially for essential workers that wear a mask all day long. All you need is a pack of chopping mats from the dollar store and a Cricut Maker. Open the Cricut Design Space software and click on Projects. Search for ear savers. We'll be making the large. Click Make It. We'll need to make a custom setting for this plastic chopping mat. First, browse all materials. Material settings, then scroll to the bottom. Next, add new material. Give it a name and save. The settings that I found work best is the deep point blade, pressure 350, and cut 7 times. Again, make sure pressure is 350, then save. This has been added as a new setting. Click Done. Now when you go to Browse Material, search for what you created and select it. I also found selecting more pressure worked best, but this might not be necessary if you're using a new blade. Inside the package, you'll find 2 plastic sheets. One side's a little slick and one side's a little textured. Place the textured side down on the purple Strong Grip mat and press it firm. Load the mat and start the cut. This cut took less than 2 minutes. It removed very nicely from the sheet. We found it's best to make the large ear saver because if it needs to be smaller, it can easily be cut later by the wearer. Here's a quick demo of how this works over a ponytail. I first placed the mask on as normal, then pulled the ear bands wider to place the ear saver on it. It takes the pressure off my ears and can help me get a better fit of the mask on my face. This can be worn in many different ways. I just happen to have my hair up today. If you want to make these in bulk, we found you can easily fit 10 or more by cutting up the mat a little bit. So for $1, you can make at least 20 ear savers. We're going to be looking for a place locally to donate these to and can easily make more. And one of my concerns was these were going to be a little too flimsy, but I can tell you I've tried these in a couple different configurations and they fit really well with mask and they don't seem to have any issues with staying in place.